Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Crypto.com exchange. So this is the app where you can trade. Now, at the top left corner, you will see here the profile picture. So click on that and then go here. You will see this big blue button where it says login or sign up, like so. Now you have some options. So email, type in email, and then you will type in the password, or here you can sign up if you are not yet. Then you can log in with passkey or continue with Google. So I will go and select Google. When I select my email address, it will drop me right on this page where I need to enter my 2FA code. And with that, when I put these 6 numbers in, I will be logged in into my Crypto.com exchange. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.